Assalamualaikum teacher.
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Salam bete, how are you all?
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam bete.
Assalamualaikum teacher.
All students, please open the video. Yeah, I'm a you as well bete. Okay, Hamad bete, do recitation.
Okay, miss. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسلهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim, Jazakallah bete. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let more students join the class now. We will start it. Have you all done the assignment vocabulary?
यस मिस हमने कर ली, मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगा। हमने वोकैबुलरी भी कर ली और आपने कहा इंडेक्स पूरा हमने बना लिया।
Okay, very good. So, are you preparing the index? Hamad, are you completing the index as well?
यस मिस।
Okay. Whenever we are doing any task now, you have to write index. Okay, dear? Let more students join the class. I'm waiting other students. आज तो कोई भी नहीं आया.
सिर्फ 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
जी बेटे.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
वालेकुम सलाम. Better open the video. I don't know why they did not join the class.
टीचर आई थिंक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और डेटा प्रॉब्लम नेट सर।
Let me ask now. Let me ask in the group. You also don't have the electricity now?
Yes teacher, and I was also do not taking 2 days science class.
How many students were present yesterday, bete?
Teacher, 4 students are present.
Okay. I think we should review yesterday topic now. Only 4 are present. But should I? Okay. I'm moving forward. It's up to them if they don't join it. Okay, look at that. This was your yesterday classwork. Yesterday we did this in the class. And today, after the word cloud, write this lecture. On top, write date.
Teacher, we make whole diagram like that.
But first, everyone write date.
Yes. सर एक पूरी डायग्राम बनानी है क्या?
जी बेटे.
मिस डायग्राम तो हमें बनानी है। ये जो है वो हमें कॉपी पर करना है ना?
Definitely बेटे, it's a copy work of language.
मिस मगर मैंने वो
Okay.
मिस
On
आज मैं
top,
करने बैठूंगा।
I am cutting your marks far. Daily you are not doing the work now. On top, write only date and below the line, the topmost line. Fine. In your copy, you have line given. So on top, only write date. Topic you should write below the line. Am I clear? After
Okay,
that,
teacher.
write topic affixes.
Yes, miss.
ठीक है ना? This is your first grammar topic.
टीचर मेरी यहाँ की ना लाइट गई हुई है तो मेरा ना थोड़ा नेट का
कोई बात नहीं बेटे. After writing date, pen down this lecture, please. Date and this lecture. Everyone should pen down. Affixes are the group of letters attached before
टीचर ऐसा
the root word. जी
टीचर
बेटे.
ऐसा पेज में बिल्कुल टाइटल पेज की तरह ही लिखना है जैसे ये लिखा हुआ है बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट.
No, it's not the title page, my dear. It's lecture.
टीचर ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करना जैसे ये है.
जी बेटे, in the same manner.
ओके.
Acha, look at this line. This line should move till affixes. Fine, don't make after able. ठीक है, line इससे link करती है. Affix is the main topic and affix has 3 branch. Prefix, infix, suffix. ये मैं समझिएगा, ये able जो है infix है. Am I clear?
टीचर आप फिर से बताएंगी.
Affixes, मैं इसको बना ही देती हूँ. Affixes is the branch of this. Look at that. Now I hope it is clear. ठीक है ना? Infix. Infix is the branch of affixes. Clear?
टीचर ऑपोजिट ऑफ affixes ना.
You all can unmute yourself. Papa beta, you also can unmute yourself. I did not restrict anyone. Right? Please write date, topic, and pen down lecture. Done, bete? Shall I move forward?
Miss. No. Yes, miss. No, miss. No, miss.
Take a screenshot now.
Okay, miss. Okay, teacher.
I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group as well.
Please.
First, take a screenshot of this. Then take a screenshot of this infix.
Miss, I write it and I take a screenshot as well. Miss, मैंने भी ले लिया
Look at that. Then prefixes.
Only teacher 3 pages.
Fine. Affixes is the grammar first topic which we are doing. It has 3 branches: prefixes, suffixes, and infixes. Clear? Pen down all these examples, please. Till Suffix changes the word class. Till here you have to pen down.
Okay,
Have you
teacher.
taken the screenshot, bete?
Yes, miss.
All I had done?
Yes,
Miss, I
teacher.
also take screenshot.
Very good, bete, take it.
I have taken screenshot as well.
Teacher, do you move forward
I
or
have
we
taken a
will write?
screenshot also.
Okay, fine, bete. Did you all understand this topic, affixes? Any trouble in that?
Teacher.
No, miss.
Sure? Okay.
Yes,
Open
teacher.
Oxford International English. This book. I want everyone take out this book.
Miss, Oxford International.
Yes. After
Okay,
writing lecture in the copy, open page number 1313.
Yeah, I don't have.
This one. Look at
Teacher,
that.
me too. I do not have.
Page 13.
Okay.
Are you able to look at that?
Miss, page number? Teacher, I don't have. Miss, page number?
13. 13. Look at that. Page 13.
13.
Yes. 1
Miss,
3
ये
13.
रहा है. Miss, this one.
G bete. Now look at exercise A.
Miss, I have taken.
I have taken bete, taken out. Okay. Look at exercise A. Do exercise A, B, C in your book. Not in the copy. After today's lecture, this is the practice of suffixes.
Teacher,
G bete.
kids do not have. They do the work of affixes.
I did not get you bete.
ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि टीचर जिनके पास ये बुक्स नहीं है तो टीचर हम लोग वो जो आपने अभी काम दिया था वो हम लोग कर लें.
That you will do in the copy now. Lecture you have to pen down in the copy. This practice we are doing in the book. ठीक है ना? This exercise you will not do in the copy. This is the practice exercises you will do in the book.
Okay.
Page number 1313. Exercise A. These all are examples of suffixes. Okay. You know, when we add few letters after the root word, those are suffixes. And few suffixes are only creating noun. ठीक है ना?
Miss, done.
Let me make you understand by writing it. Okay, listen it carefully. Don't pen down this. What I'm writing right now. You know,
Okay.
OR, these all are suffixes. OR, ER, ship, hood, fine, AR, NESS, shun, yun, yun, fine. These all are noun suffixes. Whenever you add to verb, it create noun. Fine. Sometime, for example, look at that. Exercise 8, the first word, govern.
Okay,
Govern is, let me make you more understand this. Look at that. These
वैसे एक्सरसाइज हमें अभी करनी है एक्सरसाइज है.
only first you have to understand this.
Okay.
Here I am telling you how to create noun. How you can create noun from verb when you add few suffixes. Am I clear? जब आप
Yes.
root word में suffix add करते हैं, which suffixes? OR, ER, ARness, these all are noun suffixes. Fine, these suffixes, this will always create noun. Fine. How it will create, for example, the first word of exercise A, page number 1313. Don't pen down this. You have to pen down lecture till class.
Governor.
ठीक है बेटे, I'm
Okay, miss.
till here. You have to pen down lecture. This you have to understand. I underlined
Okay.
it. I underlined
Okay,
it
miss.
to make you understand.
Miss, we know.
Fine. Look at that.
Okay, miss.
This you will do in the book. Look at that. Exercise A.
Okay, miss.
First word, govern. You know, it is verb. What is govern? It is verb. The word class is verb. But then you add or to it. It becomes noun now. Am I clear?
Yes.
Look at that. B. Bake. This is the verb bake. But when you add er, it becomes baker, noun. Bake is a verb, action verb. But when you add er to it, it becomes noun. Now the leftover you will do by yourself. You have to find this from dictionary and complete it. Like add it, make it noun by adding or er or ar. Fine. Look at that. Add it. Now who will tell the answer to me? You all can unmute yourself.
Again, teacher.
Unmute yourself, tell the
Editor.
answer.
Editor.
Complete it.
Addition. Addition.
Editor.
Editor, teacher. Re-edit.
Spelling, tell me.
Editor.
Or er.
O-R.
O-R.
Very good.
E-R, miss E-R,
Miss, I done
editor.
all.
Very big.
Miss, I done all.
Now, calculator.
Miss, की आवाज नहीं है.
Calculator.
What teacher? Miss, I done all the.
मिस
Miss, I
मिस
done
मैं
all
आपसे
the.
कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ?
जी बेटे पूछें.
मिस मुझे आपसे ये बोलना है कि ये मेरी जो वो इंटरनेशनल इंग्लिश की बुक है इसमें नहीं मिस मेरा पूरा पहले से होया हुआ है.
Okay, no issue.
सेकंड हैंड है.
कोई बात नहीं बेटे, no issue.
ओके मिस.
Okay.
थैंक यू.
Who will tell the answer of protest? Bete raise hand, don't unmute yourself. ठीक है ना?
मिस कहना है.
I allowed you all, but you should raise hand. As Papa is doing, she only raise hand, so you should do as well. Please, don't speak. Use Zoom option and raise hand, please. Ji Papa, tell the answer.
Protester. ER.
बेटे protester or.
यस मिस मैं भी यही कहने वाला था. और
Okay, F. Who will tell F? Raise
मिस
hand.
व्हाट?
Now response. What will come? OR or
मिस
ER?
OR.
Ear.
OR. Pa, don't speak in between, please. Dress, make. If we add ER, so it will become dressmaker. LAWYER, lawyer. So this ER is creating noun. Supervisor. What will come, OR or ER? Ali Ahmed, speak up now. आप बताएं आंसर.
ये रही क्लास. आप जा रही हैं? कब आएंगी?
जी बेटे. Rayan bete, open the video of yours. Now who will tell answer? Supervisor spelling. Hamad, आप बताएं.
मिस इसमें आएगा ER.
No. Supervisor bete OR.
OR.
Now tell me actor. What will come?
OR.
Rayan will tell. You don't tell, na?
Yes, teacher. Say what again?
Actor.
Actors.
Spelling.
ACTORS.
Okay. It's only ACTOR, not S. Okay. Look at exercise B. Now here you have to add AR to make it noun. Like grammar, burglar, calendar, seller, caterpillar. In all you have to add AR. And below as well, in exercise C, similar, familiar, peculiar, particular. In all that, add AR. Today we have done all three exercises of page number 13, the practice of suffixes. Tomorrow we'll be doing practice of affixes, inshallah. Is this clear? What is the function of suffixes? What it does? Suffix create and changes the parts of speech. Verb to noun. Fine. And the most, listen it very carefully. You know, when we add adjective plus ly, it creates adverb. How? Like sad, sadly. Fine. Slow, slowly. It becomes adverb. But when you create noun plus ly, like friend is noun. If I add ly, it becomes friendly adjectives. Let me write it to make you more clear. Few suffixes create noun. Today we have learned how to create noun with the help of suffixes. We learned different suffixes which create noun like or, er, ship, hut, ar, nest, chan, and yen. These all are noun suffixes. Fine? Okay. Now look at that. Few suffixes create only adjectives. Fine? What are those? Like full, less. These all are the suffixes to create adjective. Okay? ly. ly create adjective as well. ly create noun as well. Sorry, adverb as well. Fine. Full, less. IOUS ending. Fine. Delicious. Or OUS you can say. Victorious. Fine. OUS as well, like danger, dangerous. These all are adjectives. Full, less, IOUS, OUR, and IC. Optimistic, pessimistic, IC ending. These all are adjectives ending. You can easily judge the word class by the ending of the word. But the last letter, you can read the last letter and judge the parts of speech of the word. Like this is the parts of speech. If I'm writing it, you can easily judge. For example, The Kirat is joining the class. These suffixes creating adjective. These suffixes always create adjectives. Am I clear now? Please raise the hand if you did not understand. G. Did you understand this? Today's lecture. Today we have practiced suffixes. The function of suffixes is to change the word class. It changes the parts of speech. ठीक है, verb to noun. ठीक है, adjective to adverb. Am I clear? I'll be sharing through WhatsApp group as well complete picture of classwork. And your homework is, let me find. Okay, your homework is read an international school student. Second lesson. A new life for Maya we already had done. Practice suffixes we already had done. Now read lesson number 2 of unit 1. An international school student. This is your assignment, homework. You have to read thoroughly. Clear? Second lesson, inshallah, exercise A and B, we will be doing tomorrow in the class. Am I clear? Did you all understand? G bete. This one. Look at that. This is the boy picture. An international school student. I hope it is clear. An international G. Very good. Ahmad. Understand now? All of you understand? Your assignment is to read thoroughly. Page number 1414. Find vocabulary. If you are not able to understand few words from the dictionary, use the dictionary. Very good, Papa. Very good, Ahmad. So read thoroughly. Okay? Anything you did not get from today's lecture, please raise the hand. Fatma Mateen, lecture is clear. Unmute yourself. We have done comprehension in the copy, word cloud in the copy, and the lecture of affixes. Practice we did in the book. Okay. The class time ended, my dear. Have a good day ahead. Take good care of yourself. Bete Allah Hafiz.